Which one of the below is able to lift 10 to 50 times their own body weight? Ant. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Giraffe. Which of these is considered a major cause of ocean pollution? All the options. Which of the following is an example of an operating system? Microsoft Windows. Which device is used to create a hard copy from a computer? Printer. How many teeth of humans normally grow twice? 20. Animals without a backbone are called? Invertebrates. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Nitrous oxide. The process of cutting down trees in a forest is called? Deforestation. Which of the following creatures is not a vertebrate? Insect.